Hi, this is June Knight. There are exciting advances taking place in the field of Alzheimer's disease. And I'm with MD, PhD candidate Neil Nabar. Hello and welcome.
Hi, my name is Neil Nabar. I'm an MD, PhD candidate, a neurodegeneration and immunology researcher, and an officer and director of Cognition Life Sciences. Currently, I'm completing my MD, PhD at the National Institutes of Health in conjunction with Sidney Kimmel Medical College at Thomas Jefferson University. Prior to this, I spent years working at the Bird Alzheimer's Institute with Dr. Chun-Hai Chow on the development of novel therapies for Alzheimer's disease. I played a critical role in the development of a candidate immune cell vaccine for Alzheimer's disease and worked as part of the team that first showed that nanomolar quantities of THC may actually reverse Alzheimer's pathology. Cognition Life Sciences is a new biotechnology company pursuing a unique formulation comprising of nanoparticles designed to deliver active compounds past the blood-brain barrier and directly impact damaged neurons. We believe this will have a significant impact on dementia, Alzheimer's, and potentially other neurodegenerative diseases.
What are the causes of Alzheimer's disease?
So there's a lot of evidence showing that inflammatory processes and the immune system, to some extent, reacting wildly helps with the progression or helps progress Alzheimer's disease more than it was before. There's also some evidence that things earlier in life can potentially help with the development of Alzheimer's disease. There's been some studies that say that traumatic encephalopathy, chronic traumatic encephalopathy, something that is rampant in NFL players. We have Junior Seau, who killed himself as a result of it, and a lot of other NFL players that are seeing symptoms due to CTE. There's some evidence that CTE and Alzheimer's disease share similar pathological processes, and that CTE may actually, in the early stages, may contribute to Alzheimer's pathology down the road. But that's something that researchers, especially researchers at the Joe Namath Neurological Institute, are still figuring out. But that's a hypothesis that they definitely believe. And so, at the end of the day, it's a multifactorial disease, and there's a lot of things going on, but there's some evidence that early events in life may affect Alzheimer's disease progression later in life, and some of the events that happen later in life have been connected to the symptoms of memory loss and loss of function eventually.
So what is the nature of the new formulation that Cognition Life Sciences is pursuing now?
So Cognition Life Sciences is pursuing a very innovative approach to the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Chun-Hai Chow, who is the Chief Scientific Officer of Cognition Life Sciences, has developed a formulation of multiple natural components that all show activity against the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Now, treating Alzheimer's disease is difficult, because we're still trying to figure out some of the processes involved. We know beta amyloid is involved. We know the immune system is involved. But there are some other processes, such as the endocannabinoid system, that have also been shown to be involved. And the other issue is the human body has evolved to have a blood-brain barrier which works very well to keep things that shouldn't be in the brain out. And that includes drugs. Now, Cognition's Life Sciences formulation uses nanotechnology and has created a formulation that has properties that allow it to cross the blood-brain barrier effectively, and some of the components of Cognition Life Sciences formulation, including melatonin, immune modulatory agents, nanomolar quantities of THC, and coffee, have all been shown to affect the pathology of Alzheimer's disease by themselves. The idea is that with a formulation at the optimized ratios, these active ingredients will work in concert such that the whole is greater than the sum of the parts in reversing Alzheimer's disease pathology.
Does all of this have a chance to be a real breakthrough, and if so, when?
All of the active components in Cognition's Life Sciences formulation, and the formulation, which has ratios that have been optimized, is considered at this point a trade secret that is being developed. all of the active components have been shown to affect Alzheimer's pathology, which may allow it to actually be the first FDA-approved disease-modifying therapy. With some more research over the next year, we hope we can move into human trials within the next maybe 12 to 18 months.